is Mary Lou, and I'm coming to you from the Scott County Public Library in Georgetown, Kentucky. And today, we're going to be talking about rainbow crafts. I don't know if you've gotten the Make and Take. Our Make and Take for April is geared towards preschool children, and it's rainbow crafts. We're thinking things like St. Patrick's Day. We're thinking rainbows in the spring. So we're kind of doing a combination of one little St. Patrick's Day craft, and the rest are just sort of rainbowy things. If you got this bag, it comes with a set of instructions on how to do the crafts. It comes with all the materials that you need for the crafts, except for things like glue and tape. You're going to find, and I'm not really going to do this one with you because I think it's so simple. There's the materials to make a little pasta necklace that we've dyed rainbow colors. There's a piece of string, there's the dyed pasta, and then there's just a little piece of paper telling you how to do it. There is this craft, which is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So in your bag, you're going to find the pot, you're going to find a handle, you're going to find the strips to make the rainbows, the rainbow chain, and you're going to find circles for your gold coins. And then the third craft is a rainbow wand. This is my favorite one. I like this one a lot. And in your bag, you're going to find the stick to make the wand. You're going to find the strips. This is crepe paper, which flows real nice. You're going to find these strips to make your rainbow streamers, and you're going to find the little star that you're going to use. So today, I'm going to demonstrate, this is going to be a really quick little video. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make the pot of gold and how to make the rainbow wand. And let's start with the pot of gold. Super simple. This black strip is your handle, and I'm going to use tape just because it's a little bit quicker. You can use tape, you can use a glue stick, or you can use school glue, and maybe you can use your finger or a Q-tip to dot it on, either one. I'm just going to use tape here. Tape probably doesn't look as good on the finished thing as glue, but that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to take one part of the strip on the back, and then I'm going to flip it over to the front so it looks sort of like a handle like that. And that's where I'm going to tape that down there. Like that. And then to make the chain, you just either glue or tape your strips together. And you can make it a rainbow, or you can just make it a jumble of colors. I'm going to make this one a rainbow. I'm going to start with the red. I think that's right. Look at where's my, just put here it is. Yeah, red. And then orange. And then yellow. How the colors kind of fade into each other like a real rainbow. And then green. And I just did, no, I can do it this way. I'm going to do it upside down. I'm going to take my blue strip and put it through the handle of the pot and through the handle of the green strip so that it's attached to the pot. And there you have your rainbow. Now, the coins, they're yellow, sort of like gold, and if you want to just glue them on, you can glue them on top or you can glue them behind so they're just kind of sticking out like that. But, I like to make it a little fancier, so I'm going to put a little glitter on my coins, and you can do that too if you have some glitter at home. And I'm just taking glue stick and I'm just kind of rubbing it on. If you have glitter glue, you can put glitter glue on it. And then I've got some gold glitter. I like to put it in a pan too, because that kind of controls where the glitter goes, right? So it doesn't go all over the place. Sometimes crafts can get really messy, which can make your moms or dads or whoever's helping you with the craft really crazy. I thought I had this glitter open. Tell you what, I'm just going to take the lid off. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little glitter on it. So if you decide to do the glitter thing, get a pie pan or a dish or even just a dinner plate to kind of catch the sprinkles. But glue stick works real well for holding your glue on and kind of shake it off. And I am going to, my glue stick, here it is. I'm gonna stick it to the outside there because I like all the sparkling to show. I like sparkly. That's my pot of gold. So you know the legend is that leprechauns like gold, sort of like dragons, and that they hide their gold at the foot of the rainbow. And so if you can ever get to the foot of the rainbow, you can find the leprechaun's pot of gold. And there is your pot of gold. And once you make it, you can hang it up somewhere so you can look at it. It's pretty. Hang it on a door handle or, you know, thumbtack it to your refrigerator or something. But there it is. All right. And now, my favorite, the rainbow one. And when I cut out these stars, the star that you're going to find in your packet, I kind of kept them together at the top. I think it makes them a little bit easier to work with. And if you want, either before or after, you can decorate your star too. You can color it. You can take markers and color it. You can use crayons to color it. Or you can do what I just did with the coins, and you can put your glue on it. Oh, fingers are all glittery here. I love it. You can just put your glue stick on, or you can use some school glue. And let's do some more glitter. I love glitter. Yeah, and make our star real sparkly. You have some stickers. You know, there's all kinds of things that you can use to decorate it. There's that. I'm gonna I got a lot of glitter on here. I'm gonna kind of shake it around and make it, look at that. That is so sparkly. I love it. So, and spilling glue. See, that's what you're not supposed to do. I mean, glitter. I'm going to take my stick, open up the star, and I am going to use tape for this. I think it's a little bit easier to work with. If you use glue, I would use something like the school glue, a heavier glue, and let it dry real well before you do anything else. But right now, I've just got the stick taped to the inside, like that. And now I'm going to use the school glue to attach my rainbow. I'm going to use the glue stick. The glue stick is really good with crepe paper. Crepe paper is real light, so it sticks real well. And I'm just going to tape it down like this. I'm going to do blue first. I'm going to do pink, purple. Do purple on the very outside. And it's okay if these overlap. It's a wand, and it's going to stream around. I'm going to do green next to the blue. Like that. And then yellow. And orange. Ta-da! And red. Now, if you like, and I recommend you do this, see how it looks beautiful. Isn't that lovely? If you would like to, and I recommend it, you want to finish up by gluing this down. And I would do again with some glue, school glue. This is a stronger glue than the glue stick. This is good for paper. This is good for like the heavier stuff with the cardboard. And I would glue it shut so it doesn't flap open when you start to dance around with your rainbow wand. And that is what is in this month's craft bag. I hope that you enjoy doing this. Rainbow crafts are some of my favorites, so I was really glad I got to do this for you. Happy St. Patrick's Day, happy spring, and I hope to see you again soon.